WhatsApp Business Hours. Working hours and off-hours automation setup. You can now configure your working hours and set up an automated message for any incoming user query received outside of those hours. Enable working hours toggle on at the top. Time zone, set your local time zone, example, GMT +5:30 for IST. Working days, select the days your team is active, example, Monday to Friday. Working hours, define the exact hours for each working day, example, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Off-hours message, set an automated message that will be sent only on a user's first message received during off hours. Click on Save. Enable the working hour option.